Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back in your English class. So the previous book was of your Oxford Reading Circle book, and this is Oxford Progressive English, in short OPE. This book is full of exercises regarding your family, regarding your daily life. Dear students, open book page number 2, unit number 1, Fiza's family. Unit 1, lesson number 1, listen and speak. A. Talk to your friend. Now these both are friends. Hello, what's your name? Hi, my name is Ali. What's yours? I am Aman. Nice to meet you. Now they both are having gossip with each other. Now what you have to do is you have to gossip with your family member at your home. Like, how are you? What are you doing? Exercise B. Listen and color the pictures. Now what is this? This is mug, this is bat, this is jug, this is pen, this is dog, this is van, this is hand. Now you have to color these pictures. Exercise C. This is basically a song. Sing this song. Teddy says, stand up. Teddy says, sit down. Teddy says, stand up. Teddy says, turn around. Teddy says, point up. Teddy says, point down. Teddy says, point up. Teddy says, turn around. Now you have to sing this song at your home and do practice of this song. Come to book page number 3. Exercise A, unit 1, lesson number 2, phonics and words. Exercise A. Now what are these? These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. You all must be aware of these vowels. Except these 5 letters, all letters are called consonants. Now what is this? This is written cat, mat, bat, and which A is vowel here. Hand, pan, teddy. In these words, E is vowel here. Pen, tin, in. I is vowel here. Pot, dog, on. O is vowel in these 3 words. Jug, bus, cup. U is vowel in these words. Exercise B. Draw a line from the word to the correct picture. Now, for suppose this is a Game Boy. What is this? This is a ball. This is a book. This is van, floor, teddy bear. Now you have to match these words with a. Now make a line and match the picture with the correct word. First, suppose this is ball. You have to make or draw a line like this. Okay, this is your homework. Exercise C. Complete the sentences about the pictures with the words in the box. Now, words are given: running, mending, playing, picking, hitting. Number 1. Example, he is reading a book. Number 1. First, suppose he is hitting a ball. Now you have to write hitting here. Here it is written spelling of hitting. Number 2. What she is doing. Number 3. She is picking a flower. Number 4. What she is doing and what he is doing. You have to write here in these blanks. All spellings are given here. Now this is your homework, book page number 2, exercise B. You have to color these pictures, and exercise B here, exercise C. Now this is your homework. I hope you will enjoy doing your OPE homework. Take care. Bye-bye.